LG's exclusive Craft Ice Icemaker automatically makes slow melting round ice at home without the hassle of ice modes. There's no doubt that Craft Ice will elevate your beverages when you're entertaining, but you'll also find dozens of uses for Craft Ice every day. Hi, I'm Joe. I've got 20 years of experience tending bar, and just like you, I've also got a life outside the bar. That's why I'm excited to introduce to you the benefits of the new LG Craft Ice, both for entertaining and for everyday life. So let's dive in and look at the difference between Craft Ice and conventional ice cubes. With its remarkable size, Craft Ice is 2 inches in diameter, making it quite impressive. Bigger than conventional ice, yet smaller than your average whiskey rocks, making it more versatile right out of the gate. It's just the right size for coffee mugs, restaurant-style highball glasses, travel mugs, water bottles, whiskey tumblers, you name it, LG has you covered. And because of its size and shape, Craft Ice is less likely to clump and stick together like regular ice cubes. It also melts more slowly, keeping beverages nice and cold longer without diluting the taste. Watch as I pour hot water over both conventional ice and LG's Craft Ice. After waiting 1 minute, the Craft Ice has only lost about 37% of its original volume, but the conventional ice has lost 60% of its original volume. That's a big difference. Goodbye watery orange juice, and hello to water that's immediately drinkable but still cold at the end of your workout. LG's Craft Ice is clearer than conventional ice cubes because the way it's produced reduces the amount of air that normally gets trapped in ice. This clarity is the key to slow melting ice, making your beverage a more enjoyable experience. The size and clarity of Craft Ice allow you to sit back and enjoy your entire drink at a relaxed pace without the worry of it tasting flat or watered down. Pure genius. LG's Craft Ice, by design, also helps keep carbonated drinks fizzy longer. Don't believe me? Check this out. When you pour a carbonated drink over conventional ice, it starts to fizz almost immediately, and the foam from the soda fills up the glass before the actual soda does. Not only do you have to wait for the foam to decrease before filling the glass, but this process actually reduces the amount of refreshing carbonation left in your drink. As you see here, when you pour a carbonated drink over LG's Craft Ice, nothing special happens. But there lies the magic. Because there's less fizz and accumulation of foam, carbonation is retained. There are just so many benefits to LG's Craft Ice Icemaker. For one thing, you don't need to hassle with time-consuming ice modes. The process is automatic and made in the freezer for easy everyday access. The ice is larger and clearer to melt more slowly and help retain the taste of any beverage. And the size is designed to fit in a wide variety of glassware. It's big, but not too big. Listen, the aesthetics alone are worth bragging about. LG's Craft Ice provides more clarity to better showcase your beverages. Your guests will notice it, and your friends will talk about it. And my friend Frank, who is a connoisseur in whiskey drinking, will attest that the best aesthetic is the large single ice cube in the center of the glass. But Frank uses ice modes. Forget the modes. Get LG's Craft Ice and bridge the gap between convenience and aesthetics.